That was weird. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to show you guys how I create these braids, Dutch braids, French braids, whatever they're called. I should have looked that up. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how I do them. I do it pretty easy because it's beside my head instead of like above like most people do. But I like it. I like how it turns out. It's really tight to my head, so it never feels like I'm gonna fall out. I can go to the gym in it and I'm like rocking. Oh, also if you guys wanted a tutorial on this makeup look, I already have one up and I'll link it below. So if you want to see how to create these braids, keep on watching. So you want to start by making sure your hair is perfectly brushed, not a tangle. You want to part your hair in the middle. Let's just get all this hair back. And so you want to start by parting your hair in the middle. And I just tilt my head back. Make sure it's all back. And I'm just gonna use my nail and make sure to go all the way back. Both sides should feel similar. Yep. Just like that. Then make sure both sides are brushed out. Ew, I feel like a little troll. So once that's all brushed out, we're just gonna put this one side so it doesn't get in the way. We're just gonna tie it up. So to start this, you wanna make sure you have all the hairs on this side, even these little babies. Not everybody has these babies, but I'm gonna take a small amount, just like this. And you're gonna split it into 3. It's gonna be 3 really small parts, but it'll work. So you start by taking the one closer to your face and you go under the middle one, just like a regular braid. 1, 2, 3. So you're gonna go 3 times. Then take this little one, grab some hair underneath, and braid twice. 1, 2. And you're gonna take and try to keep pulling it tight. Then you're gonna take this one, do the same thing. Grab 1, 2. And again. Grab 1, 2. And you're just gonna honestly just keep on doing this. And when you grab it, so you're gonna grab it. When you do the first braid, you're gonna use this finger, when you grab it, really pull all those hairs tight. Just like that. And keep on going. You'll get the hang of how much hair to grab. And keep on making sure the hairs aren't getting tangled up. I just ripped out a whole bunch. There's only a little piece left, so I'm just gonna grab it together. Make sure nothing is tangled up. Grab it tight. And braid away. So when you get to the end, I just like to use these little tiny elastics. You can get them at Ulta, and they're pretty cheap. And if you want it to be a little bit bigger, you can always pull it out. just like that. So moving on to the next. Just gonna grab this first little tiny section. You can make it bigger if you want, but I like to make it small. As long as you've braided at least 3 times and you end up back here, you're good. Then you're gonna grab some and braid. 1, 2. Grab some more. 1, 2. There you go. There are the braids. Let's put some earrings because my ears feel naked. We don't want that. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you can recreate this and it wasn't too complicated. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. That's my waving.